what's going on? Joe Coffey here for Premier Guitar, and I'm with Judge Dudley Gimble. How you doing, man?
Very good.
Hey, we're at the Ernie Ball booth checking out new stuff. You've got some cool stuff to show us. Tell us what we're looking at here.
Well, this year is the 25th anniversary of Ernie Ball owning Music Man, so we've introduced a pair of guitar and bass to celebrate our 25th anniversary. And this is the guitar. It uses a body shape very similar to our Axis, and that sort of commemorates the ongoing Ernie Ball design. We've made a few changes to it. We've got an arm contour on the top now, and we've also redone the electronics. We used the same pickup mounting system that we introduced on the Silhouette 20th anniversary model. So you can adjust the pickups for height. You can also adjust the tilt to keep them parallel with the strings. And the pickups are the same pickups that are normally used in the Axis guitar, but we've dressed them up with chrome covers, volume and tone control, and then we have a new switching arrangement. So this is a 5-way lever switch. It gives you the combinations of the bridge humbucking, split where you have the 2 outside coils, all 4 coils, the 2 inside coils, and then the bridge humbucking pickup. And this switch puts all of those combinations either in parallel as they are now, which is a brighter sound, or in series mode, which is the normal full fat sounding. Now I wanted to show you this guitar because it gives you
see the guts here.
Yeah, some of the construction things that we've been playing around with. As you can see, there's 2 different colors here. This is the mahogany tone block, which is something that we've been using for several years now. But it extends from where the neck attaches to beyond the bridge, and the pickups are mounted to that block. And it really helps to create sustain in the instrument. Have the maple top that keeps the brightness, and then we wanted to make the instrument lighter. We also wanted to try to make it more resonant, and so we played around with a number of chambering ideas, and this is the one that we had the most success with, getting the sound that we wanted out of the guitar. And
yeah, we'll talk about what that's about. You see chambered guitars with maybe 4, sometimes 5 holes. What's going on if you have them in parallel strips like this? What's the difference?
Well, first of all, as I said, it lightens the instrument, but it having these ribs throughout the body just creates a resonance that's different from having the solid chamber or the solid body or a large open chamber, which is the more typical way to do it. Because having the smaller chambers and more of them keeps the feedback aspects of the guitar under control.
That's really cool, because if you add it all up, the surface area of what's carved out, you still get that much, of a lighter guitar, but yet you do have more places where the strings can, resonate. That's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So that's the 25th anniversary. There's a base model of this too, correct?
Yes, we're going to show you the base model now. This particular bass is a 2 pickup model. We also make a model with a humbucking pickup in the bridge and then 2 single coil pickups. The single coil pickups are also stacked, so they're all hum canceling. The electronics package is new, and it varies slightly from one model to another because they're all set up with the push button switches, and these switches basically control the pickup functions. This is to turn the neck pickup on and off. This is to turn the bridge pickup on and off. And when you have them both up, then you have the 2 inside coils on, and which is a very cool sound, and also humbucking. Then this switch puts any of those combinations in series or in parallel. The parallel is kind of the signature Music Man sound. When you put it in parallel, it's a much fuller, beefier tone. And then we move to the active-passive switch. Now in the passive mode, which is where I am now, we have volume and tone, and these EQ controls are disabled. When we go to the active mode, the tone control is disabled, and then we have a 4-band equalizer with bass and treble on this knob, and then low mid and high mid on this knob. And there's a lot of different ways that you can use this to dial up two sounds and, you know, select between them. You can also, it works great to set up the EQ as a boost and then be able to, you know, boost, just push the button for solo and then go back to this for verse part of the.
I mean, 4-band, it's almost like a parametric setup. I mean, just to dial it in exactly the way you want it. That's
exactly.
Awesome. Very cool.
And so we've retained the good old Music Man bridge. The pickups are also a new design. They're basically wound with more wire like the Stingray pickup, but they have the ceramic magnets that we use in the Sterling bass, and it's a really great sounding combination. We've also redesigned the headstock to make it smaller because when we made the body lighter, we didn't want it to be neck heavy. So
it's still the same scale length?
Yes, still 34-inch scale. Also includes the patented Music Man compensated nut for better intonation, as does the guitar. But the new headstock is smaller. The machine heads are lighter weight, and so the combination of all those ingredients is that you have a bass that feels great, it's very comfortable to wear, and has a lot of different sounds in it.
So what about the price on these?
The base price of either the guitar or bass is $32.50, and then depending on what pickup options you get on the bass, there will be a slight additional charge for the 3 pickup.
All right. Well, where can people go online to find out more about these?
www.music-man.com, or also the Ernie Ball website, www.ernieball.com.
Very cool. Judge, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. I'm Joe Coffey. You're watching Premier Guitar.